In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a built-in domain in Squarespace. If you want to update the default Squarespace address for your site, this process is very straightforward once you know where to look. We'll be working inside your Squarespace settings, and the main thing you'll be changing is the site ID, which controls the built-in Squarespace domain for your website. To get started, go to your Squarespace site dashboard. Once you're there, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Squarespace keeps the main configuration options for your website, including domains, email settings, and other important site controls. After the settings panel opens, click on Domains and Email. This section is where you manage anything related to your site's web address and connected email options. If you're looking for the built-in Squarespace domain, you're in the right place. Next, click on Domains. This will open the area that lists the domains associated with your website. In many cases, you may see both connected custom domains and the default built-in Squarespace domain. For this tutorial, we're focusing specifically on the built-in one. Now click on Built-in Domain. This takes you into the details for the default domain assigned to your Squarespace site. Here, you'll be able to modify the part of the address that identifies your site within the Squarespace system. Once you're inside the built-in domain settings, find the site ID field and edit it. This is the portion you're changing to create the new built-in domain name. When choosing a new site ID, make sure it's something clear, relevant to your site, and easy to recognize. Also, keep in mind that the name usually needs to be unique. So if the one you want is unavailable, you may need to try a variation. After you've entered your new site ID, click Save. This confirms the change and updates your built-in Squarespace domain. That's it. Your built-in domain has now been changed. As a quick tip, after saving, give the page a moment to update and double check that the new domain appears correctly in your domain settings. It's also a good idea to make sure you're editing the correct built-in domain, especially if your site has multiple domain-related options listed. And that's how to change a built-in domain in Squarespace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.